So when you open it, it's got juices. Or you don't want to spill those juices because those juices are good. Oh. And a pinch of salt. I think it's hot, too hot for me.
Oh my gosh, I got the chick.
You want to show the chick?
Maybe I shouldn't.
Do you want to see the chick?